Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is EmiLou.Arts, and today I hope you stick with me because I am going to show you how I'm setting up my weekly spread in my A5 Hobonichi Cousin Avec for April 27th through May 3rd, and also how I'm setting up my little bullet journal style A5 Day-Free and my daily pages for my kids' school. So, whoa, here we go. So you guys know the drill by now. I'm obsessed with Shine Sticker Studio, and last Thanksgiving I went nuts. I lost my damn mind and I ordered about 100 pocket kits during their sale. So this was one of the pocket kits that I ordered. She now no longer makes new pocket kits, but they are still on her website. A lot of them are under the clearance, I believe. But I love the pocket kits. Now I think the smallest you can get is maybe the B6 PP Weeks, which comes with a bit more decoration. But at any rate, the pocket kits I love using. I just trim about 1 millimeter off of the day of the week covers, and then they fit. Sometimes you have to do a little bit more sticker surgery than that, but these were relatively easy. And then I wanted to do this week because A, the kit is so cute, and then B, I had this weekly kit from Michael's that I realized had matching like washi tape to this kit. So this one from Michael's was, I think it's the Summer Fun weekly planning kit. Or weekly planning like booklet or whatever that you can buy. Those are all $5 at Michael's. And so I had that one and realized that I could just use all the stickers in the world and it would be the cutest thing ever. So of course I did that. Of course. And so I used the matching washi, and then they had that really cute like bubble washi up at the top. I just decided I wanted to use basically all the stickers and have it look super cute. I loved the colors in this kit. I just loved everything about it. Luna as a mermaid, yes, I will take it. I will take it and run with it every damn day. I love it. So I'm, like I said, trimmed about 1 millimeter off each side of the to-do lists as well, and that makes them fit the A5 Hobonichi Cousin weekly columns. And then look at those colors in that banner. Oh, obsessed. And somebody had said, why don't you use the to-do lists? Ooh, back up. I like to highlight the week that it is in the month so that I kind of know where we are. Because otherwise you just feel like I wouldn't have realized we were in the last week of April. I mean, it just never dawns on me. So I find that helpful. And I'm using the little checklists that are in the pocket kit. My only gripe is that there's only 4 and not 5. And I decide to like use them for things that I maybe plan to get done that day. And then my bullet journal sort of stuff that I actually do that day, maybe. I'm still working out how I'm going to use this whole system, but I do like it. And if I was doing more of my kids' school stuff, I would plan in advance the like maybe the lessons or the things that we were focusing on, maybe in those lists, which I think would be good. And maybe when my husband goes back to work, that's what I'll use him for. But right now he's kind of spearheading the whole homeschool because he is not at work until like mid-May. So he's got that horse by the reins, and I'm just letting him go with that so that I can keep up putting out content for you guys. So it works out well. I'm using all of those decorative boxes to put in for when we have plans. And all it is basically, that big purple one is just to signify school. And then I like the plain boxes are nice because you can turn them on their side, kind of long ways. And then they'll fit in the column. And then they have other decorative ones that I use too. But then I decided to pull some of those little strips out of the weekly Michaels kit to write some work shifts on there, because I didn't have enough of one kind for my work shifts, and I'm just anal like that and wanted them all to look the same so that I would kind of group them together in my mind. So as of right now, I just have Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. Hopefully I will pick up a few more shifts throughout the week. If you're new here, I'm a nurse, so I'm still at work, and thankfully that I am thankful to be at work. I know a lot of people are struggling right now, and I feel for you, you guys. I'm really sorry. This is just crappy on so many levels. So that's why I'm using stickers. It makes me happy. So I hope you have something right now that makes you happy too. Let's see. I liked that this extra sticker kit had more decorative boxes too. So I was writing in school, and my daughter's ballet, which is over Zoom, and is very interesting. My son's class Zoom meeting on Wednesday, a Zoom brownie meeting on Wednesday afternoon, more Zoom dance class on Thursday, and then my daughter's Zoom class meeting. So we're just Zooming. We're Zooming all the time. I think a lot of people are just becoming Zoom aficionados. And then I'm just trying to write in those lists. Like I said, it's a work in progress, this whole system. I don't know how I'm going to use it all yet together. So right now I'm rewriting a lot of things, but that doesn't bother me. That brings me a certain level of weird serenity to just write things in a planner. So right now I'm taking that. I'm going to take that and I'll be okay with it. A lot of people have, 10 different planners and they each have a different purpose. I have 10 different planners and they all have the same purpose. I just write everything 10 different times because I like it. So, if that's not your thing, don't do it. For me, it's just a hobby and I enjoy it. So, and then I'm using the Shine Sticker Studio Season sticker kit that's also from Michaels. And there's also deco stickers that match this kit on that as well. So look at me go to town, you guys. So cute. Look at that octopus, or it's a jellyfish with a bow in her hair. I can't handle it. I love this spread. It might be my favorite one I've ever done. And then, real quick, I'm flipping to my Day-Free A5 size Hobonichi. And I had filmed where I set up this little weekly spread sort of thing, and then I accidentally deleted that footage like a moron. So you can't see it. But basically, it's self-explanatory. I just drew a box and divided it into 7 days. And then I am doing a list for this week, like things that I don't need to do on exactly a specific day, but I want to get done that week so that I don't have to kind of rewrite those things all the time. And then the purpose for this Day-Free was my specific to-do lists and tasks that I want to get done, and being able to use all these stickers. I have so many stickers that you guys have sent me and from sticker kits, and I'm weird and I like to have my weeklies all match. So I don't like to put in icons that don't match the kits from other kits into my weekly spreads. I know, you guys. So this is where I can put in all of those super fun stickers that I have that I just want to use, and kind of combine it with my lists. And I'm sort of rewriting everything twice now because I decided to start using the Day-Free now because it started at the beginning of the year. So I figured I might as well. I don't want to waste that, those pages, even though I'm still using my other cousin. That's become more school stuff for my kids, but I'm going to continue to fill that up until, I'm done with the first 6 months, because then we won't be in school, so I won't need those daily pages. And now, my daily to-do lists look very different and are a lot shorter. So I figured this would be a perfect style because I won't need a full day for every single day. And I have ideas for the calendar thing that's up at the front that I was using as a task tracker in my other one. I really want to set up as like a YouTube tracker, like money tracker, so that I can keep track of what I'm spending and what I'm bringing in, so that it's not just throw money at it, because I can't do that. So here's just a little flip of the months that I set up with sticker kits that I made on Canva. And then there's the cousin that I am using right now and the weekly setup in there. And I'm just really pleased with it, you guys. Don't look at the notebook that it's in now. Things are not ready to show you yet. I haven't decorated anything, but I'm loving it. It's so big and squishy. Oh, and I'm also showing you how I set up my days for my kids' school stuff. So that's it. I know this video was a lot, but I hope that you maybe got some planning done or just listen to me blabber. Thanks, guys. Bye.